Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a colorful 8-sided star with Python using the turtle module. The module is an item that can be used for drawing pictures. First, we're going to have to import turtle. That module is what we're going to be using to do everything. Next, we have to make a variable, then put turtle.pen so we can actually draw stuff or it won't actually draw. Next, we have to put variable.width is 7. This will make how thick you're making the lines, but I find 7 to be the best looking. Now we're going to change the color. When we're changing the color, make sure to add 2 colors or the middle will fill black. The first color is going to fill the outside. The second color is going to fill the center of our star. I like to use orange and spring green since they look very vibrant. And remember to put no space in spring green if you want to use it. Next, what we're going to do is actually start drawing it. Now we're going to make a for loop. This makes it loop the code that's in the for loop. We're going to put 9, so it'll loop 9 times. Next, we're going to put forward 100 pixels. This will make the first line of the star go out. Next, we're going to put left 225 pixels. That's going to be the key part in creating the star because it'll go left 225 degrees. Next, we're going to put, before the for loop, a.begin fill. And what this will do is start a fill with filling the second color. Now after, we're going to do variable.end fill. And that will finish filling the color. Now, if you run it, it should go like that. But if you want to make the star bigger, all you have to do is change the 100 to 200, and your star is going to be noticeably bigger. Bye, guys.